Hello viewers, today we have an exciting topic. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us once more. Make sure to stay tuned till the end for some surprising insights. In 2025, the landscape of income investing has drastically shifted, with YieldMax ETFs, particularly MSTY and ULTY, at the forefront. Their allure sparked a frenzy among income-seeking investors, drawn by promises of regular distributions. However, beneath the surface, challenges like volatility and NAV decay have left many questioning their decisions, unsure whether these investments truly serve their financial needs or could lead to greater pitfalls in the long run. Many are wondering if the initial excitement they felt was justified, or if they should reassess their strategies. As investors grapple with these questions, the pressing need for clarity becomes paramount. Understanding the true nature of MSTY and ULTY is essential to navigate the complexities they've introduced into income investing. Ultimately, discerning whether these ETFs are beneficial tools or detrimental pitfalls will shape the future of countless portfolios. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video should be considered financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Investing involves risk, including loss of principal. YieldMax ETFs such as MSTY and ULTY use complex options strategies that may not be suitable for all investors. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. What MSTY and ULTY actually are. MSTY and ULTY are both innovative investment strategies that cater to different risk appetites. MSTY provides synthetic exposure to MicroStrategy, focusing heavily on covered call income, and its performance is intricately tied to the price fluctuations of Bitcoin. In contrast, ULTY employs a fund-of-funds approach, allowing for diversified income generation while still maximizing short-term gains. However, investors should be aware that both funds carry significant risks and are fundamentally different from traditional dividend-paying ETFs. Understanding these nuances is crucial for making informed investment decisions. The reliance on volatility selling, particularly for MSTY, signifies a strategic shift in income generation, moving away from the conventional business profit model. MSTY and ULTY offer unique opportunities for investors looking to explore alternatives to traditional dividend investments, emphasizing risk management and strategic income generation while navigating the complexities of market volatility and asset performance. Why yields look too good? Yield percentages can appear exceptionally enticing, often soaring between 60% and 100%. However, investors must remain cautious as these distributions are not guaranteed, revealing an important investment truth about understanding the distinction between cash flow and total return. Understanding the factors that influence these yields is crucial. In essence, while high yields may initially attract attention, the reality is that smart investors must always dig deeper to grasp the underlying risks and ensure their long-term financial success. Only by acknowledging these complexities can they hope to navigate the investment landscape wisely. Distributions versus NAV decay. In the world of finance, understanding the mechanics of distributions and net asset value, NAV, decay is crucial for investors. The process involves capped upside through covered calls, while the downside potential remains significantly open, which can lead to NAV erosion during unfavorable market conditions. Reverse splits, such as MSTY's recent 1-for-5 and ULTY's 10-for-1, illustrate how market optics can shift without truly enhancing a security's performance. While reverse splits may alter perceptions of a stock's value, they fail to address the underlying performance issues that can lead to NAV decay, highlighting the importance of a comprehensive investment strategy in challenging markets. MSTY Deep Dive. MSTY, or momentum strategy trading for yields, can be effective during periods of steady Bitcoin growth, where investors can capitalize on high volatility without fear of significant downturns. However, when Bitcoin experiences sharp crashes or prolonged bear markets, MSTY often falters, leading to disappointing outcomes. While MSTY offers a promising strategy for navigating certain market conditions, it demands meticulous attention and responsive adjustments to maximize its effectiveness. Recognizing and adapting to both the benefits and pitfalls of MSTY is essential for sustained success in the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency trading. ULTY Deep Dive. ULTY offers a unique investment strategy that prioritizes consistent income through diversified YieldMax funds, thus providing investors with a weekly cadence of income that mitigates the risk associated with individual stocks. However, this approach presents challenges, including compounded NAV decay and potential strategy stacking risks that require careful consideration. While ULTY presents an attractive option for those seeking frequent income, its inherent complexities and risks present a nuanced landscape that savvy investors must navigate with caution. Ultimately, a thorough understanding of its mechanics is essential for effective participation in this strategy. WHO should own MSTY and ULTY? In considering whether to invest in MSTY and ULTY, it's essential to evaluate your current financial needs and objectives. For those seeking immediate cash flow and who possess an understanding of options income, these ETFs can serve meaningful purposes. However, if capital growth and emotional stability are your priorities, you may want to look elsewhere in the investment landscape. Consider the strategic role these ETFs can play, especially as satellite positions within a diversified portfolio. Ultimately, MSTY and ULTY provide unique opportunities for specific investors who are informed and strategic about their choices, but they may not suit those who prefer stability and growth in their financial journey. It's crucial to weigh your personal investment goals against what these ETFs truly offer. Comparison to SCHD, JEPI, JEPQ. When it comes to income stability, SCHD stands out with high reliability, while both JEPI and JEPQ offer a balanced medium approach, appealing to those seeking moderate returns with managed risk. MSTY and ULTY, on the other hand, present very high income stability but come with very high risk. In summary, understanding the comparison between these ETFs is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Each has distinct advantages, catering to varying risk tolerances and income requirements, allowing investors to choose the best fit for their financial objectives. Remember, YieldMax ETFs serve as strategic tools to optimize returns. Common investor mistakes: investors often falter by over-allocating their resources, which can lead to significant losses in volatile markets. Reinvesting blindly. Understanding total return is essential, as many overlook it, focusing solely on individual gains rather than the overall performance of their investments. Panic selling after a net asset value drop often leads to further losses, demonstrating the need for strategic patience. The honest truth. These exchange-traded funds are often overlooked, yet they embody a strategic approach to investing that many fail to recognize. MSTY and ULTY challenge conventional wisdom. In a market saturated with fleeting trends and impulsive maneuvers, the true potential of these ETFs lies in their ability to provide consistency and sound strategy. They invite investors to rethink their assumptions about what constitutes a worthy investment. In conclusion, while both options provide potential income opportunities, they come with significant risks unsuitable for retirement savings. Both the MSTY and ULTY investments, despite offering high returns, reveal fundamental concerns about their stability and safety, ultimately indicating that they should be approached with caution by investors seeking long-term security and sustainable growth in their portfolios. MSTY and ULTY should be viewed not as typical investments, but rather as opportunities for generating income when managed wisely. Mismanagement, however, can lead to significant financial loss. Understanding the nature of MSTY and ULTY is crucial for any investor. They can either enhance financial success or create disaster depending on how they are utilized. Always remember, The key to maximizing their potential lies in informed and careful management. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.